So this is a y1 asymptote, and also we can check what happens to the y when we do the limits. So which would give us, I'll take this right corner, when the x goes to the infinity, what happens to the y? So we know when the x becomes a very big number, that means the 4k divided by the very big number, that will, our y would go to, when this is going for infinity, y would go to 0. Similarly, when x goes to negative infinity also, this would also go for 0. So that is quite information we have. So we can say, since this is an asymptote, it will go like this, and also it will go like this. So this is how we can get our answers. To look it good, so I can little bit, closer the value of k so that the graph looks a little bit neater. We can assume our asymptote is here, which is 2k. So how is the graph is coming is and if I also mark the -2 maybe somewhere here. So what is the graph that I would take is, one would be this, another one would be this. These are the two coordinates that we can go for. Okay, so yeah, this is a sketch in the graph. So we have completed it. Now let's see